Crash course on China's rise in the global list of most innovative economies and its strengths and weaknesses. In recent years, China has risen steadily in the global list of the most innovative economies, a clear indication of the country's growing strength in technology, science, and research. This rise in innovation has been driven by a combination of government support, investment in education and research, and the growth of the private sector. China's strengths in innovation include its large and growing pool of highly skilled engineers and scientists, its commitment to research and development, and its thriving startup ecosystem. However, the country also faces challenges in terms of protecting intellectual property, fostering a more open and creative culture, and overcoming the perception that Chinese technology is often derivative or copycat. 1. The rise of AI in China. China has made significant strides in the development and implementation of artificial intelligence, AI, in recent years. The government has identified AI as a strategic priority, with plans to make China the world leader in AI by 2030. Chinese tech giants such as Alibaba, Baidu, and Tencent have invested heavily in AI research and development, and the country has made significant strides in areas such as facial recognition technology, autonomous vehicles, and natural language processing. 2. The growth of e-commerce. China is home to the world's largest e-commerce market, with companies such as Alibaba and JD.com dominating the online retail landscape. The growth of e-commerce in China has been driven by a combination of factors, including the rise of mobile payments and the rapid expansion of the middle class. 3. The rise of Chinese venture capital. Chinese venture capital has grown rapidly in recent years, with the country now home to some of the world's largest and most active venture capital firms. Chinese VC firms have invested heavily in areas such as AI, biotech, and fintech, and have played a significant role in the growth of China's startup ecosystem. 4. The expansion of China's patent portfolio. China has made significant strides in recent years in terms of patent filings, with the country now accounting for a growing share of global patent applications. However, there are concerns that some of these patents may be of low quality or may be filed for defensive purposes rather than for actual innovation. 5. The growth of China's startup ecosystem. China's startup ecosystem has grown rapidly in recent years, with the country now home to a thriving community of entrepreneurs, investors, and accelerators. The government has played a significant role in fostering this growth, with policies aimed at supporting entrepreneurship and innovation, as well as the development of tech hubs in cities such as Beijing and Shanghai. 6. China's investment in education and research. China has made significant investments in education and research in recent years, with the government pledging to spend billions of dollars to improve the quality of education and to attract top talent from around the world. The country has also made significant strides in research and development, with the number of scientific papers published by Chinese researchers now accounting for a growing share of global output. 7. The growth of Chinese biotech. China has made significant strides in the development of biotechnology in recent years, with the country now home to a thriving community of biotech startups and research institutions. Chinese biotech firms have made significant strides in areas such as gene editing and immunotherapy, and the government has identified biotech as a strategic priority. 8. The expansion of China's digital infrastructure. China has invested heavily in the expansion of its digital infrastructure in recent years, with the government aiming to connect all of its citizens to the internet by 2025. The country is now home to the world's largest 5G network, and has made significant investments in areas such as data centers and cloud computing. 9. The growth of Chinese fintech. China is home to some of the world's largest and most innovative fintech companies, including Ant Group and Tencent's WeChat Pay. The growth of fintech in China has been driven by a combination of factors, including the government's push for financial inclusion, the rise of mobile payments, and the expansion of digital banking. 10. China's push for clean energy. China has made significant strides in the development of clean energy in recent years, with the country now the world's largest producer of renewable energy. The government has set ambitious targets for the expansion of renewable energy, and has invested heavily in areas such as solar and wind power. 11. China's growing dominance in 5G technology. China is now home to the world's largest 5G network, and has made significant strides in the development of 5G technology. Chinese companies such as Huawei and ZTE have played a significant role in the expansion of 5G, and the government has identified 5G as a strategic priority. 12. China's investment in space technology. China has made significant investments in space technology in recent years, with the country now home to a thriving space industry. China has made significant strides in areas such as satellite technology and has plans to launch its own space station in the near future. China's rise in the global list of most innovative economies can be attributed to its strong government support for innovation, its growing pool of highly skilled talent, and its thriving startup ecosystem. However, the country also faces challenges in terms of protecting intellectual property, fostering a more open and creative culture, and overcoming the perception that Chinese technology is often derivative or copycat. Despite these challenges, China's commitment to innovation is clear, and the country's rise in the global list of most innovative economies is likely to continue in the years to come. An example of China's innovative spirit is the development of the world's first driverless bus in the city of Shenzhen. The bus uses advanced sensors and AI technology to navigate the city's busy streets, and represents a major milestone in China's push for autonomous vehicles. Another example is the development of China's first homegrown commercial passenger jet, the COMAC C919. The plane represents a major achievement for China's aviation industry, and is seen as a major step towards the country's goal of becoming a major player in the global aerospace industry. In conclusion, China's rise in the global list of most innovative economies is a clear indication of the country's growing strength in technology, science, and research. While there are challenges to overcome, China's commitment to innovation is clear, and the country is likely to continue to make significant strides in the years to come. Here is a poem on China's innovations. Innovation thrives in the land of the East, where China's strength has only just increased. Their talent pool is vast and growing still, with startups and research that break through the mill. Their AI, e-commerce, and venture capital. Their patents, biotech, and digital infrastructure in the hall. Their fintech, space tech, and 5G dominance. All show China's progress with brilliant elegance. Their goals are ambitious, their dreams so grand. Their progress steady, their growth so grand. The world looks on in awe and respect, as China's innovation shines with intellect. With challenges to overcome and obstacles to face, China's innovative spirit remains in place. Their commitment to progress is crystal clear. Their rise to the top only just begins here. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.